Hi again, everybody. It's Scott with EZTravelPad, and today I am coming to you from Breathless, Los Cabos. This is Cabo San Lucas. We're in the heart of it right here at this resort. Right behind me is the marina. Just a little bit down to the south is Los Arcos, the arch, right? The end, Land's End for Baja, California. This is a terrific spot. This is just absolutely one of my favorite locations for a resort. Breathless is for adults only. It's lively, but it's not crazy party time. It's upscale, it's not super luxury. It's a nice premium resort. We'll have a look around, stay tuned, and I think you're really gonna like what you see. And this is Breathless, Cabo San Lucas. Breathless Los Cabos. Adults only, lively, and gorgeous. Now, I wouldn't go so far as to call this a boutique resort. It is a little bit bigger than that in my estimation, but at just a little over 160 rooms, it is definitely on the smaller side of things. Most of the resorts here in Cabo are just a little bit smaller than what you're going to find in, like, say, Cancun or Punta Cana, but 160 is pretty comfortable if you like nice and quiet, relaxing. You can find your space here, even though it is lively in the evening in some spots. Not in this spot. Wink Lobby Bar. That's going to be one of the central areas, one of the primary areas for gathering. Of course, there's going to be a bar right here. It's a good bar. There's a great big huge screen. This could be a great place for watching the game, seeing what's going on in the world, and you know what? It's poolside. This nice infinity pool overlooking the marina, just a terrific view. So a nice aspect of staying here at Breathless, being that it's really super close to the party zone, 5-minute walk from the nightlife, is the Nook. Here you can grab some refreshments 24/7. You got friendly staff. She's here to help you in the afternoon. Somebody else is going to be here to help you at like 4 o'clock in the morning when you come back from Cabo Wabo or wherever you're partying at here in downtown Cabo. The Nook is your place. The Exhale Club is going to have some enhanced refreshments. This is for club level guests, of course. Open all day, upscale bar. You can even play some casino games while you're hanging out. And the view of the marina here, still fantastic. So up here on the rooftop, the VIP, this is where some late night entertainment is going to occur every night, whether it's going to be DJ or band or shows. Up here in this space, got the terrific view over the marina. Sunset's right over there, past the mountains. You can see marina gets a lot of traffic, and there's an amazing view here of the rooftop pool, the ocean in the background, the beach beyond. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. Time for a little water aerobics. Let's get a look at the beach. And this is Medano Beach. This is one of the 2 swimmable beaches here in Cabo. So you could say it's the best beach in the destination. Here's the Italian restaurant Spumante. I will note that here all of the pasta is homemade, which is terrific, and you can see the community table, which is great for solo travelers or couples that want to be a little bit more social. Meet new people, have some fun. That's what this is all about. and there's indoor and outdoor seating on a daily basis. In the evening, Kibbe is going to double as not only Mediterranean but also a sushi bar, and then the Mediterranean cuisine. Fishnets is a great option. Fishnets will be the only restaurant that's going to have a dress code. Everything is casual, but here they're going to want to see long pants and closed-toed shoes. And we're going to take a look at one of the Allure Marina View rooms here at Breathless, Los Cabos. Big shower, rain shower head, double vanities, excellent amenities. The things that you're going to need are here. We've got closet space, an espresso machine, mini bar stocked with refreshments, a little bit of workspace should you need it. Big king bed, the fantastic view, huge flat screen TV, a little bit of comfortable seating area here next to the bed, right? And then, as with all of the rooms here at Breathless Los Cabos, you have the marina view. So this is position A. This is the best location, in my opinion, in Los Cabos, because you are right here at the marina. There's lots of restaurants and shopping and bars, dolphin, swimming with dolphins. It's just right over there in front of that. Sea lions are down here. There's a lot of marine traffic. We just went whale watching yesterday. It was terrific, and you're about a 5-minute walk to the nightlife if you choose to go to Senior Frogs or Los Cabos or Cabo Wabo or any of the other entertainment establishments here. Beautiful. And you can see some sea lions as well, hanging out in permanent residence. All right, so that's going to do it for our tour of Breathless here in Cabo San Lucas. It's a great resort. Might be the next place for you, but reach out to your friends in the travel business here at EZTravelPad. We're here to help, advise, listen to what you want to experience so that we can best advise you as to, is that the right fit or not? We don't charge any fees. Basically, we're here to help. So reach out, and can't wait to talk to you about your next great vacation. Thanks for watching. Take care.